Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, November 5th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So I would expect pretty much a replay of yesterday. Be a little surprised if we really tried to break out of these balances, okay? Number one huge thing is ES, yesterday's low and October 2nd's low. That's very big. We take that out, we'd officially be back in balance on the monthly. It's the only time frame that's up. The other bigger picture is not today, most likely, but tomorrow at some point coming out of these 3 days. All right? Now, again, if we take out yesterday's low today, daily continues down in ES. But the question is, how much would they decide to push? Maybe they will. You never know. But if they don't, then coming into tomorrow, right, these lows, these highs with the gap are going to be our main focus coming out of that, right? Again, it's not going to mean anything in the overnight tonight or pre-market tomorrow. It's going to be at 9:30 where we open. Please keep that in mind. Same thing in NQ, right? We just missed the 31st pull low. Do we go get these two things today? Possibly. The bigger question is then, what do we get if we do get both of those? Do we get some acceleration or not? Everything is up. Look, it's a coin flip as far as, does the market sell off? Does it rally? Prior to the election, this and, So, again, anybody thinks they have the answer, they don't. So we're going to have to let MGI guide us. Same thing with NQ, though. These lows, and then the high, and into the large gap above. Remember, we had that island gap that's still holding. So those are your bigger picture parameters. As far as today, at least early, look how visual. Again, we can't stress enough how mechanical this market is, which tells us who we're playing against, which is short-term traders. Overnight high, a tick from the afternoon rally high and value high. NQ, same thing. Right up against the afternoon rally high and overnight high. Now, there's still a lot of time prior to the opening that can change, but for now, it shows you how mechanical. 15 wide overnight already in ES. Again, if we open near one of these overnights, I don't mind front running them. Either one. Okay? Either one. However, if we open, say, where we are now, and then start heading towards one of them, that turns into the opposite trade to take the long or the short to go get them for me. Okay? Righty, very, very... I have righty in fours. I made that larger yesterday because of their range. But still, a very thick overnight profile for them. Remember, they held the double distribution day. The overnight low didn't even get close. Again, that wouldn't fill it, but they didn't even attempt to. So they're also in a balance, right? 3-day balance. So at some point, this market should break out of these balances, but at least again for today, be very wary of false breakouts. Make them prove themselves to you if they go trend. Okay? You have plenty of time to sign up to be in this trading room starting today and through tomorrow and the rest of the year. See what we are all about. And then chart-wise, here's the daily. Now, a lot of people, again, in ES would call this a 3-day balance. I called it down. So if we take out yesterday's high, strictly back to balance. If we take out yesterday's low, continues to be down. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.